What are modules? Modules are content blocks that you can create and use whenever the need arises. Modules can contain text, images, video links, and buttons, or any other type of content that is found within emails. So why would I want to use them? Mostly, they save time. Let's use this email as an example. I know I'll want to use the content of this survey in my next email, so instead of creating another from scratch, if I go over to the 3 dots on the right hand side of the pulse survey, I can select Save as Module. NewZapp will open up on the left menu where I can save this content as a module after adding a name, description, category, and tags. Firstly, module name. I'll choose to save this as Pulse Survey. Module description, survey, category. I'm going to want to use this again as content. The tags feature would be really useful for those of you that would be saving several modules over time, so that you can add a tag, and then when you're searching for one specifically, you can search by tag in future. If I select save, now how do I add the save module to my email? So if I select modules on the left hand side and select and drag my module into the email, it will paste like that. And that's how you use a module.